So anyway, I was told by JD Vinegas I tried to sell my PS4. I rejected no because if I want to buy a PS5, I have to wait to buy a PS6. So I said just wait for PS6. I say to JD Vinegas, I will buy a PS5. If I buy a PS5, I say to JD Vinegas, just wait for PS6. So recently there will be a PS5 and PS6. They will be connecting each other because the PS5 and PS6, I think PS6 might be coming on 2027 and 2026. I mean 2026 and 2027. So how many years anyway? Next 4 years there will be PS5 will be cheap, and now PS6 is coming. So there will be PS6. They're still developed. The PlayStation company call it PlayStation. The PlayStation 5 will be cheap, and also PlayStation 6 will be expensive. So there will be a new console. I asked JD Vinegas, just wait for PS6. If I buy a PS5, just wait, bro. Wait only, wait. Recently, I never want to buy a PS5 because it's really expensive here in our country, Philippines. When I went there in Osaka, Japan, how much at the PS5? It's 2,300 yen. That PS5, it's so expensive. So I decided myself to buy a PS5 on 2026. But if the PS6 was released, as usual, I never realized there will be a PS5, PS6. The PS6 is still coming. Believe me or not, because I say to JD Vinegas, it is coming. According by a rumor from my friend Ronan Kayabyab, there will be coming a PS6 or PlayStation 6 if the PS5 or PlayStation 5 will be cheap on the on the PlayStation store, or in PS5. The PS5, the PlayStation 5 will be cheap, and the PS6 or PlayStation 6 will be expensive. So I asked my friend JD Vinegas, just wait for only for PS6 because I still using my PS4. While me and Bill Galang, we're still using a PS4, especially Mark Cruz.